Okay.
So I will be sharing my screen.
Okay.
Okay. So give me 2 minutes. Okay. So can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss about digital marketing. Okay.
Okay.
So don't
Okay.
have, like, I think it's already one. So by 1:40 this will be over. So I will go through the things pretty fast. So first of all, my name is Jyotirmay Dev. I have done a bachelor's and master's in computer
Okay.
science, and my
Okay.
master's is from USA. So let's let's jump to the our topics first. So
Okay.
what is digital marketing? So I would like to know, what do you know about digital marketing? What is your thought? You can tell me whatever you feel. It doesn't have to be correct.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, hello. Just one second.
Okay. I'm hearing you. Hello.
Hello. Karishma, I'll call you after maybe 30 minutes. Okay. Hello.
Okay. Once
I'll
let me
call you
change the
after 30
speaker.
minutes.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Tell me.
Okay. What about?
So what is digital marketing? What do you think?
Okay. I think digital marketing is just marketing through digital instruments, for example, uh, mobile and internet, mainly internet networks.
Correct.
And I think,
Yes.
am I right?
Yes. Yes.
Huh?
Absolutely. Yes.
Okay.
So basically, digital marketing is nothing but the marketing. Like, let's say 20 years ago, 25 years ago, when there was no internet, people used to do marketing, right? But it was done through calling and, through directly talking to people and through talking to people's door and through putting advertisements everywhere. And so after the internet, after the evolution of internet, the concept has been changed to digital marketing. So for example, if you want to transfer money to your friend's account, right? So you don't have to go to the bank and wait there in the line for 2 years, 2 hours to
Mm.
deposit the money, to submit a check and account that, because you can do it online. You just download the app of a bank and you transfer the money within 2 seconds. It will happen. So similarly, for marketing, the process of marketing has been changed in digital world. So everything is done online. So we call it digital marketing. Now,
Okay.
what is the importance of marketing? So for any company or anybody who is starting his business, what is the importance of the marketing? So any business
Mm.
cannot survive without marketing. Suppose you or me or anybody, I am trying to suppose sell something, but I'm trying to create a business, or I'm trying to open a store where I want to sell products or services. So
Okay.
it is not possible to start selling unless I do marketing. So there is a difference between marketing and sell. Marketing means promotion,
Yeah.
but like I want to promote it. It means my
Okay.
concept or my product should reach to maximum number of audience. That is called
Mm.
promotion. It is not sales. Sales comes after that. So if I do proper marketing, it means my sales will go higher. It means, for example,
Okay.
the trailer of a movie. So you watch movies, right? in theaters or in Netflix or in YouTube to watch movies. So suppose a movie is releasing in Hollywood and you don't know that the movie is releasing and the movie is in theater.
Yeah.
So you will not go to watch because you don't know where that it is released. So to make a promotion, the companies have to create a trailer of that movie and release it in different theaters and in YouTube, in our TV, and in all social media. So we know that the movie is going to release on after 3 months or after 2 months, right? It happens.
Mm.
Do you agree? Hello.
Hello.
So do you agree that,
Yeah.
there is a trailer for every movie? Do you watch movies?
Uh-huh.
So
Yeah,
like,
I would.
suppose Mission Impossible or any movie you name it, any movie.
Okay. Mission Impossible.
Right. So when Mission Impossible will come, before that there is, you see there are a lot of promotion happens. You know that
Yeah.
Tom Cruise is going to release his movie, and there is a trailer, and there will be banners and everywhere. In Facebook also, in social media also, in general in
Mm.
television, you see there is a promotion happens, right?
Yeah.
So promotion
Yeah.
means nothing but advertisement. Advertisement means it is reaching to a larger audience. So people should
Mm.
know that a movie is coming. So they are getting mentally prepared that whether they will buy the ticket or not. So that is called
Yeah.
marketing. This is a part of marketing. Marketing is promotion. I'm promoting my product or service. So it reaches a larger number of
Okay.
audience and that will increase the sales. So for example, if I have a shop and I want selling let's say garments or something, so I need to promote it. I need to reach out to people. I need to give advertisements. I need to talk to people and talk about it.
Okay.
Say, hey, I am selling. This is my product. Or this is my service. Suppose I was selling my cut hair, so I'm providing a service. So please come to my shop. You should avail my service because
Uh,
these are the benefits you get. Or I am giving you a particular sell offer, like I am giving you at 50% discount. So for
okay.
every sell, there is a story behind. I mean, you have to promote it. You should reach to larger number of audience. So it will increase the sales. So this is basically called marketing. And when we are doing it on digital media, it is called digital marketing.
Mm.
Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
So let's go to the next topic. So what is
Okay.
called sales funnel? So sales funnel is something called a sales page. It's a website basically, where
Okay.
we talk about the our product or service. Okay.
Mm.
So for example,
Okay.
you go to Amazon, okay, and you go to Amazon, and you click on a product. So you get the details of the product, right? So it talks about
Yeah.
the details of the product. Then you have your reviews, you have videos, and then you have a uh, you know uh, a button where you can click and it says, okay, you want to buy or you want to add it in your wish list. So this whole page is called a sales funnel. It means why it is called a funnel? Because funnel goes like this, right?
Uh,
So
yeah.
at the outside, what happens is, let's say 1,000 people will come and they will see the page. So out of that, 100 people will show interest, and then maybe 10 people will actually buy the product. So because the number of people is coming down like this, so that's why it's called a funnel, a sales funnel.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll talk about this in the detailed posts, but those are paid posts. This is a overall overview I'm giving. So the second
Okay.
is what is copyright. Copyright means what you will write in the sales funnel. So in your sales funnel, you have to write something that will create interest and that will excite the buyers. Okay. So the buyers will get
Okay.
interest. They said, okay, this is something really
Yeah.
unique in this page that is different from any other thing. So I'm going to buy this. So what you should write in that page. So that is called copyright. What is a lead? Lead means, suppose in many websites, when you visit many websites of many products, they will ask for a pop-up comes and they'll ask for your email address and first name and phone number. Have you noticed it?
Yeah.
They enter your
Yeah.
email address and phone number. So when you enter, the moment you enter it and you subscribe, what happens is
Yeah.
it goes into their database. It means you are a prospective buyer. You are not a buyer. You are a prospective buyer. Means you may buy it in future. So it goes into their database.
Okay.
This is called lead. Means this person
Okay.
in future I have to keep in touch because I can convert this guy into a buyer. So that prospective buyer is called a lead. He's my lead. I got a lead. Means I got someone who's interested.
Okay.
So that's it. Now this is called what is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is like suppose you have your own product or service. Okay. So if you have your own product or service, then you can directly sell it. There are buyers outside. But you can say, sir, I don't have my product or service. What can I do? I have nothing to sell. So in that situation, what can you do? You can uh, ask to somebody else who has a product or service, okay, and you can sell it on his name. What you don't get the 100%. You get say if the cost is $100, you will get $20. So you get a commission
Okay.
because it's not
Okay.
your product or service. So suppose you are doing marketing for a company or you are marketing for a product, let's say, and it is
Okay.
invented and created, manufactured by some other company, but they don't know how to sell it. So they hire you or they contact you. So you say, okay, I'm going to do the marketing. I'll do YouTube, I'll create YouTube videos, I'll create a Facebook page. Okay, I will do it in Instagram, and you have to give me an affiliate link. So every time a person buys that from through this link, I get 20%. Means if the price is $100, I get $20 for each sale, and you get $80.
Okay.
Okay, so that is called affiliate marketing. Then the next is content marketing. So what is content marketing? Content marketing means you know uh, you create a story, okay, right? You are writing content in social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. You are writing stories.
Okay.
That story involves your story, your life, your emotions, your struggle. Something happened to you. So thereby you are creating an awareness. So people are getting connected with you. They will read the story,
Okay.
and that will create some effect in their mind. So that is called content marketing. We are writing some content.
Okay.
It can be a text, it can be videos, it can be some podcast, anything. But there has to
Okay.
be a story. There has to be a story that connects
Okay.
people. So that is called content marketing. So what is the importance of content marketing? Because in content marketing, it's a organic way to generate leads. Means you don't have to pay for ads or anything. So people will directly they will like your story and they will come and connect with you. And from there you can generate some revenue, some sales. So initially in the content you won't talk about. So for example, I say that okay, my health was not good. I was working too much and I felt sick. And so because of that, I started working out and I have done this. I have taken this particular, health products and it has turned my life upside down. Now I'm working 12 hours a day and I'm having a great life. So immediately what will happen? A lot of people will be connected and they will ask you what you did. You said, hey, this is the product I use. You can also use it and you will be benefited. So what you are doing is you are basically indirectly selling it, creating a content that will touching their mind. So that is called content marketing.
Okay.
Then next is what is product or service. So what is a product? A product is basically a physical product or a digital product. For example, my t-shirt. Okay? This is a t-shirt.
Yeah.
It's a physical product because I can touch it. It's physically exists.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
but let's say I'm saying I have created an ebook. I have created a book in PDF online. This is something I cannot touch. It's an online content. So that is a digital product. A product can be physical or a digital. Okay? And what is a service? So service means you went to a salon for a haircut. Okay, you went to a salon for a haircut, and uh, there you go there, but you come back with nothing. You have no product with your head. So what they are doing, they are giving you a service.
Yeah.
So like you go for a massage service. You went to a parlor and they gave you a massage, back massage. So you are not getting any product. If there is nothing you can touch, it doesn't exist physically. So what they gave you is a service. Like what I'm doing now to you, I'm giving you a service.
Yeah.
I'm not giving you a product, a physical product. I'm not giving you a pack of salt
Yeah.
or rice, but I'm giving you a service. So there's a difference called product or service. So what you can sell in the whole world, if you check the whole world, in this entire world, you can sell either a product or a service. There is nothing
Yeah.
outside that. There's nothing.
Yeah.
If I buy a car, it's a product. If you buy a house, it's a product. If you buy garments,
Yeah.
clothes, your grocery, they're all products. And if you are teaching
Yeah.
someone, it's a service.
Sorry.
So either you can sell a product or a service. And that's how you can make money. The way to make money only is remember it says in the rest of your life is the only you have to sell. Then only you can make money. If we are going to a job, you can say, hey, I'm working. I'm not selling anything. You are indirectly selling your service. That's what they are paying you
Yeah.
for. So I can you do it individually or you can join a company as an employee or everybody sells something in their life. That's how they make money.
Yeah.
So more you sell, more you make money. You have to be a good
Yeah.
marketing and sales guy to be rich, honestly.
Yeah.
So what do companies sell us? Oh, sorry. What do companies sell us? So if you see what are the important products in our day, in our grocery, what companies are selling us, right? So we cannot live without it. These are something humankind will buy, no matter what.
Yeah.
Say grocery, what is your eating? Food,
Yeah.
right? Water, salt, right?
Yeah.
Books, your clothing, your shoes. These are something
Yeah.
anybody will buy. So these are companies are trying to sell us every day. Then what we can sell? We can also sell the similar thing. If you can sell about if you can create a company that sells bottle of water, everybody needs water, drinking water.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you know how many customers you will have. If you can sell online, if you can do drop shipping or something, how many people you can sell? Millions and millions of people.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
if you make $1 profit for one bottle also, or 50 cents even, then also you can make a lot of money.
Yeah. Yeah. $1 million.
Yes. So now it comes what is ad. So you know that's what is ad, right? Advertisement. You see in Facebook, in YouTube, in Google. When you go you there in the side, there are some ads are going on. So what is an ad? So ad is basically like to attract uh, users or customers so that when they will click on the ad, they will get to know the product. So it's an advertisement. So there is something called hook, story, offer, the product and service, the benefits and price. What is hook? Hook means a tagline. So suppose I I write how earn $2,000. This is the line in my ad. Suppose I created an ad in Facebook or Google and I have written this. And then I said click here. So this is an ad. So what will happen? This is a hook. This is hook means when you go for fishing, you give a hook. The fish will,
Okay.
eat it.
Okay.
So that is called hook. So people will easily get try to click because everybody needs one. This is called hook. So once they click it, it will take them to a story. A story means I will tell my story that I've been doing this for last 1 year and I have earned $10,000 or something, and I was not
Okay.
going through a very difficult time, and now I am able to do this. It has to be a legit story, a real story. So people will read that story, and then I will say the actual price is say $50. Okay,
Okay.
but
Okay.
I am giving a offer for only $5. So this is offer. Okay. So then I will talk about the product or service. What is it? So let's say it's a digital marketing training. I'm offering you a training on digital marketing.
Mm.
What is the benefits? You will be able to sell, and this is the final price, $5. So this is called an ad. It has to have a hook, has to have a story, has to have an offer. There's a product or service. It is benefits and price. Okay.
Okay.
So that is related to the ad. So these are all in details I will do in my hands-on. I will create a search funnel and I will show how can I give an ad on Facebook or Instagram or whatever. So
Yeah.
now next comes the traffic. So what is traffic? Traffic is nothing but how many number of views you are getting, how many number of interactions
Yeah.
you are making, people are making.
Yeah.
So suppose you create a post in Facebook and you say people are liking it, they are responding to it, and they are, so basically how many people are viewing your post or
Yeah.
your ads,
On YouTube.
called
Yeah.
traffic. It's like the
Yeah.
traffic in the road. There are a lot of traffic in the road. There are so many people.
Mm.
So same thing is your traffic. So what is organic traffic? Organic traffic means it's a free traffic you are creating by yourself. You are not paying money.
Okay.
Okay. But the number is generally less number of
Okay.
people, maybe 100, 200 maximum, maybe 500, maybe 1000. That's it. Not more than that.
Mm.
There is something called paid traffic. Paid traffic is in Facebook, in Google, in Pinterest, Instagram, any social media, and LinkedIn. There is a
Mm.
they have a technology which will ask you in Facebook if you create a page, they will say you want to boost your page. The moment you click it,
Mm.
it will say okay, pay this much money, and it will reach to 1 lakh people, 1 million people, right?
Yeah.
But they will ask for money. Okay, then you pay $100, $20, $50, something like that. So these
Yeah.
are paid traffic. So paid traffic, the quality is not as good as organic traffic because organic traffic you know the people, but
Mm.
the number is less. The quality is good in organic traffic. Paid traffic, the quality is not, but it
Mm.
reaches a large number of people. So if you really want to invest a lot of money, then go for paid traffic. Otherwise, if you are just starting up, just go with organic traffic. And the
Mm.
third is SEO. What is SEO? SEO called search engine. Tell me, search engine
Mm.
optimization. Okay. So what is search engine optimization? This is another way to generate traffic, but this is mostly if like suppose you have a page and uh, you want to rank your page in Google. So in Google, when you
Yeah.
search something, right, you get a list of websites. So the first,
Mm.
we generally go to the first 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 websites. Suppose I have written how to make money, or let's say I will give you an example. How can you see my screen? Google.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm seeing.
So in Google, I like how to make money online. So the moment I type this and I enter,
Okay.
you see there are these websites are coming. One, two, three,
Yeah.
right? So if you
Yeah.
have a website and you want to rank there in Google search, right? Because
Mm.
this is free, and by doing SEO, you get millions of traffic. It means
Okay.
hundreds and thousands of sellers. So how to rank your website in Google is called SEO. Not on Google, any search engine. It's called SEO, search engine.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So SEO, why? What is? There are a lot of SEO techniques. Something called offline SEO, something called online SEO. Sorry, off page SEO and on page SEO. Then on page SEO is like, suppose you have to find the keywords that people are looking for, people are searching for in the Google. So those keywords
Yeah.
you have to put in your content on the website. So whenever somebody is searching, they will get your website in upper ranking. So they will click on the website. That is called on-page SEO. And off-page SEO is like if you are linking your website to other big websites. For example, let's say any good website, let's say Amazon or Facebook or
Okay.
somewhere else, you give a
Okay.
link, the link of your website, web link. So when
Okay.
people are have any blog which has millions or thousands of viewers, so whenever people are reading those blogs, they will click the link and
Yeah.
they will come to your website. So your website SEO score is called SEO score, and it will go and increase, and
Mm.
the search result in Google is called SERP, search engine
Okay.
result pages. Okay, so that will increase. So that's why your website is more visible,
Okay.
right? So that's how you can do
Yeah.
SEO. So there are three basically:
Okay.
organic traffic, paid traffic, SEO, and what is ad.
That's yeah.
Okay. Then next is
Yeah.
what is a social media marketing. So what are the different social media? So number one is Facebook, right? Facebook is the biggest.
Yeah.
So in Facebook, in social media, what you can do is, you know, you can give ads, as I already told you, in Instagram,
Mm.
in Twitter, in YouTube. In YouTube, you can create videos, and in LinkedIn also, you can write
Okay.
posts and videos, and you can create a lot of followers. So this social media is all about how to generate followers. So for that, you have to create
Okay.
something called online presence. Okay,
Okay.
something called, I'll tell you, it's called online presence. Online presence
Yeah.
is whoever is connected with you, your friends, your family, followers, they should know that
Okay.
this guy is doing something, is doing something legit. So how they'll convince
Yeah.
is every day you have to keep some good post online. You have to write some
Okay.
video, you have to write some, you know,
Mm.
some pictures, you have to write, you have to talk about something, let's say
Mm.
coronavirus. So you talk about
Yeah. Yeah.
coronavirus, what are the possible remedy, how many people are affected. If you keep posting every day, one morning and evening, right? So a lot of people, and you share it in different groups. So what will happen is you will be creating online presence. People know that okay, this guy has a presence online, and they will trust you. Say okay, this guy is
Yeah.
doing something. So that's how we can create a lot of traffic, a lot of followers.
Okay.
So this is can be done in Facebook, can be done in Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn. And now there is a concept of hashtag. You can read it. There is a concept of hashtag means suppose you are writing a post and you give like this student.
Yeah.
So there is a group where they have millions of people. Okay, so it will connect with them
Okay.
directly, so they can see it. So this is in Facebook, this is in Instagram, in LinkedIn, in Twitter. There is a concept of hashtag. So hashtag means
Yeah.
you can connect with millions of people. So this
Okay.
is called hashtag. Then, uh, then the question is, can I do it for full time? So suppose
Mm.
you have a job, okay, you are earning monthly salary, and you are interested to do
Okay.
digital marketing, and you say, okay, I don't want to do my job, I don't like it. I want to earn some money from home. how can I do it? Can I leave my job, or can I do it full time? So it is very much possible.
Yeah.
You can make it as a career, and job means I would recommend to continue your job and at the same time start 2 hours, 1 hour to 2 hours a day, and until or unless you start making some income. So when you started making good income, then you can absolutely leave your job, right?
Okay.
There
Yeah.
is a girl in India. She was working and she was not making good money, and she was very frustrated about the job because she was not getting treated well by managers. So she
Okay.
started doing this, and now she is making 10 times more than she was getting in jobs. 10 times.
Okay.
So this is always good things to do, and it will help you to stand on your own feet. So yes, you can do. And the next is, what are the my other services? This is just people who wants to buy, and so for them, detailed course or digital marketing. So it is 80 minutes session every day, and I'll take 10
Okay.
to 12 sessions. Then there is web designing. Okay, there is SEO. Then there is programming language. Okay.
Okay.
Then more posts on content marketing, LinkedIn marketing, Facebook ads. So these are the other courses I provide. And then
Okay.
if you have any questions, these are my contact numbers. You can write, or you already have. So you have any questions? You
Okay.
can tell me. I think we have 7 minutes for question and answer now.
Okay.
Yes. If you have any question
Okay.
about this,
Can I get the Okay. Can I get the PDF
can
on
you get
LinkedIn?
the PPT?
PDF. Okay. Or PPT.
Yes, I'll send you. No problem.
Okay. Thank you.
You have any
I have
other
another
question?
question. No. No.
No question. Okay.
Yeah.
So currently,
I
what you are
understand.
doing? What is your status? Are you a student or you are working?
Yeah. I'm a student.
And what are you studying?
I'm first year computer science student.
Sorry?
Computer science.
Oh, you are studying computer science.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fantastic. So why do you want to do this digital marketing if you are studying computer science?
Yeah. But I don't know why I'm interested in it,
You are
in digital
interested in
marketing.
digital marketing. Okay, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
So there is a
Okay.
great career in this, and it's a huge market. So there is no problem. I appreciate that you are trying to learn.
Okay.
My support is
Okay.
with you. So that is fantastic. You can send me some feedback in LinkedIn, and I'll send you this.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you
Thank
then.
you very much.